Hi everybody, it's Miss Angela. Today we are going to decorate some butterflies. So I just made them super simple. I cut them out of some construction paper. I was trying to think of stuff that everyone would have around the house. And then I cut out a whole bunch of shapes. We have some foil. We have some stickers. We have some scissors if your kids are a little older and would like to make their own shapes. We have a glue stick. So we are just going to do some simple cut, paste, glue, decorating, fun stuff. You want to start decorating?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll show you how we do it. So, first how we do it, I go use some stickers. Like this one. Look how pretty. I go put them on. I go put them on like some hours.
Ready, Ari? Splat.
So, I go actually put on some silver mom
And then pick a shape.
That glue. Ari, can Anna have it?
Splat.
I go put on 2 silvers. So I go actually crumb it into a little ball. While we do. See? A little ball right there. See? Ari's doing ours right there. Here's this blue. So I go make another one that's like the same and put it on back. So actually we're going not use it. But we're actually going to use one more type of stickers. Mama, that.
Black.
White.
B. Red.
Red.
Color's that?
Right.
Green.
Red.
Red. Uh-oh.
I know.
More glue. Yellow.
That's how we make a beautiful butterfly. Let's go fly away. Say bye-bye, our friend.
So as you can see, you can do this for quite a while. It's super fun. They could do colors, they could do shapes, they can cut themselves. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope
And
you guys
can
have
draw
fun.
too.
And you can draw too. Hopefully we see you guys soon. Bye. Say bye-bye, Ari.
Bye.